Are you an active trader? Do you live for the rush of executing a well-timed trade, the thrill of dissecting market movements on a chart, and the satisfaction of capitalizing on volatility? If so, you've probably heard of Gemini, a big name in the crypto space. But here's the real question: is Gemini truly built for you, the active trader, or is it just another exchange for beginners? That's what we're here to find out. For a long time, Gemini was known for being a safe, regulated, and user-friendly exchange, which made it a go-to for new crypto investors. It was the safe bet in a wild, unregulated market. But being the safe bet isn't always what an active trader is looking for. We're looking for low fees, fast execution, advanced tools, and deep liquidity. We're looking for a platform that works for us, not against us. So, has Gemini evolved to meet the demands of a professional trader? The answer is, it's complicated. And to understand it, we need to dive deep into what Gemini offers, how its active trader platform works, and how it stacks up against the competition. Let's start with the most critical component for any active trader, the platform itself. Gemini's main interface is clean and simple. It's designed for someone who wants to buy and hold, not someone who's making multiple trades a day. But that's where the Active Trader platform comes in. Active Trader is a completely different beast. It's an advanced trading interface that's packed with the tools you'd expect to see on a professional-grade platform. You get real-time market data, advanced charting tools powered by TradingView, multiple order types, like limit, immediate or cancel, and fill or kill, and access to a full suite of APIs for those of you who want to automate your strategies. This is a game changer. It's a clear signal that Gemini isn't just for beginners anymore. The ability to customize your trading view, monitor multiple markets at once, and execute trades in microseconds is exactly what active traders need to gain an edge. They've essentially built a separate, high-performance ecosystem within the larger Gemini exchange. But a great platform is only half the battle. The other half, arguably the more important half for an active trader, is fees. This is where Gemini has historically faced criticism. On its standard platform, the fees are, frankly, quite high. You're looking at a convenience fee and a transaction fee that can eat into your profits, especially on smaller trades. This model is a non-starter for anyone trading with any kind of frequency. However, the Active Trader platform has a completely different fee structure. It uses a maker-taker fee model, which is the industry standard for professional trading. This model rewards traders who provide liquidity to the market makers with lower fees and charges a slightly higher fee to those who take liquidity takers. And the fees are tiered based on your 30-day trading volume. The more you trade, the lower your fees become. For high-volume traders, maker fees can even drop to zero. This is a massive improvement and puts Gemini's fees for active traders on par with, or even better than, many of its competitors. It's a crucial feature that makes the platform a viable option for those who are serious about their trading. Now, let's talk about liquidity and available assets. Liquidity is the lifeblood of an active trader. Without deep order books, you can't execute large trades without causing significant price slippage. Gemini has made strides here by merging its USD and GUSD order books, which provides deeper liquidity for traders. This is a smart move that benefits everyone on the platform. However, a major point of contention for some active traders is the limited selection of cryptocurrencies. Gemini supports around 70 cryptocurrencies, which is a far cry from the hundreds or even thousands of coins available on some of its competitors. If your strategy relies on trading a wide range of altcoins, this might be a deal breaker. Gemini's focus is on major, established cryptocurrencies, which might be a pro for some and a con for others. Another thing to consider is the availability of advanced trading features. While Active Trader offers a good range of order types, it doesn't currently offer margin trading or options trading. This is a significant drawback for active traders who rely on leverage to amplify their returns. However, in select jurisdictions, Gemini has introduced perpetual futures, a type of crypto derivative that allows for leveraged trading. This shows that they are listening to the market and slowly expanding their offerings to meet the needs of more sophisticated traders. The fact that these are available in some regions but not others is a key point to research before you commit to the platform. Of course, no discussion of Gemini is complete without talking about its biggest selling point, security and regulation. Gemini was founded with a mission to be a regulated, secure, and compliant exchange, and they've largely succeeded. They are a New York trust company, regulated by the NYDFS, and they've implemented top-tier security measures, including offline cold storage for the vast majority of customer assets. This is a massive selling point, and for some traders, the peace of mind that comes with this level of security is worth any trade-offs. The platform's commitment to security and compliance is a differentiator, especially when compared to some of the more Wild West exchanges that have popped up over the years. This reputation for security and trust is something that even professional traders, who are more risk-tolerant in their strategies, appreciate. So, where does that leave us? Is Gemini for active traders? The answer is a resounding yes, but with a few very important caveats. If you're an active trader who values security and regulation above all else, and your strategy focuses on major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Gemini's active trader platform is a phenomenal choice. The low fees for high-volume trading, combined with the professional-grade tools and deep liquidity, make it a powerful and reliable option. However, if your strategy requires a vast selection of obscure altcoins, or if you rely heavily on margin trading and leverage, Gemini might not be the best fit for you right now. While they are expanding their offerings, they still lag behind some of the larger, less regulated exchanges in these specific areas. Ultimately, Gemini has successfully bridged the gap between a beginner-friendly exchange and a professional trading platform. The existence of the active trader interface is a testament to that. It shows a commitment to catering to the entire spectrum of crypto investors, from the novice to the seasoned pro. It's a platform that can grow with you. You can start on the simple interface, and as your skills and confidence grow, you can seamlessly transition to the powerful active trader platform without having to move your assets to a different exchange. And that's a powerful value proposition. Gemini isn't just for active traders, it's a platform that allows you to become one, all while operating in one of the most secure and regulated environments in the crypto world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.